If ever you were going to feel like you were going to miss the boat, then right now with AI is the time that you're going to feel like you're going to miss the boat unless you get in on this stuff because it's moving so quickly and you need to get a grip, understand what's going on. You see, when things like Bitcoin came along and NFTs came along, there was like kind of no substance to them, in my opinion anyway, all right? But people made a lot of money, but then it kind of, you know, quietens down, doesn't it? You don't hear so much now about Bitcoin and NFTs, but what you do hear a lot about is AI. But what you'll notice is that you're hearing about AI everywhere, right? So you're hearing about AI on mainstream TV, on news broadcasts, on documentaries, on main websites, news websites. You're hearing about it in your emails from probably every provider that you've ever bought something from is now talking about AI in one way or another, and that's because the floodgates have been opened. When they released Chat GPT, it was like, wow. I mean, this is absolutely bonkers, insane. So today there's a product that's just been launched that I think that you should grab immediately, and then you can think about what you're going to do with the mass of features that it's got afterwards, because you don't want to miss this. Propel AI Kit has got 200 AI tools. And I'm just going to show you a quick conversation that I had with Yogesh earlier on to give me an idea of what this is and why you should get it. And you'll see that he's genuinely very, very excited, and rightly so, because as he said, there's nothing even on JVZoo that comes close to this. For such a small price to get 200 AI tools that can make you money very, very easily and generate a passive income, this is what it's all about, isn't it? What we want, all of us marketers, is a passive income. And if we can find a way to do that, then we're going to seize that with both hands, grab the bull by the horns and ride it all the way to the bank, baby. That's what I'm talking about. So obviously I spoke to Yogesh and I said, look, I'm going to need some really sexy bonuses for my lot because I spoil them. And wait till you see what I've got for you. It's bonkers. It really is. I've got some incredible bonuses that are going to make this a complete and utter no-brainer for you if it wasn't already exciting enough with what we've got. So look, I'm on the sales page here. Let's take a quick look at the sales page. And it says here, still falling prey to outdated artificial intelligence tools and living like a miser. World's first complete newbie-friendly technology that lets you tap into 200 plus passive income streams using artificial intelligence for any offer and niche with zero prior skills or experience using. 200 plus business boosting AI tools to skyrocket your business growth in a cost-effective manner. And then we have lots and lots of bullets over here on the right-hand side. You can go through and you can see, what they're saying there. But in a nutshell, you've got 200 plus premium result-oriented AI business tools for the price of one. All right, so that's why this is a complete and utter no-brainer. It is incredible value. This is a big sales page, but come through here and take a look in your own time. But we do have beta testers here on the sales page who have posted saying that they've used this and the results that they've got, which is nice to see. And the usual kind of proof on here, etc., etc. But what we've got here as well, and this is what Yogesh wanted me to watch. He said, bro, you've got to watch these videos, the demo videos. And if you watch the demo videos, you'll get an idea of just how powerful this is and how simple it is. You literally just put in a few keywords, press a couple of buttons, select English, select, this and that, click the button, and out it comes with all of this. It can create copy. You can create Fiverr gigs with this. You can do all sorts of stuff. Creating motivational posts, generate funny, witty posts, find low competition keywords, little known fact post generation, social media post ideas and 7-day schedule, high converting Fiverr description generator, complete ebook creator, generate Quora answers, complete video course generator, product launch press release, generate long tail keywords, create winning Upwork proposal. There's so many possibilities with this in order for you to make money. So come through the sales page, but in the meantime, let me show you what I've got for you with your bonuses here. So you're going to get access to my bonus doc as usual. When you come in here, if you want to check out the OTOs, to make sure you don't miss out on any special OTO bonuses that I might have, you need to click here and then re-click on this link here, which is going to take you through to the sales page. Once you've done that, you should be cookied to me. Always check that you're cookied to me anyway. On the checkout cart, you just need to scroll down and make sure you can see my name and number at the bottom. There's a little round icon with a person there. Check that out, make sure that you're cookied to me. If you're not cookied to me, you won't get access to this bonus document, all right? And then once you've done that, you can come through and you can check out all of the upgrades that are possible for you to take with this. Then as we come down, here are the special bonuses. So first of all, we've got Livio Reseller. So you're going to get access to the product and you're going to get 100% commission bump on this. And you know that reseller is one of my favorite things. And you're going to get these as bonuses. So these would typically sell between $97 and $197 each, just for the reseller, but you're getting access to the products as well. So Livio is a new app that lets you start exploiting 2 billion potential buyers for limitless free traffic. You're going to get that. You're going to get the Vid Creator Max reseller as well. And that is finally cracked. New breakthrough through Cloud App creates high converted videos in 60 seconds flat. So you've got the Vid Creator Max, the reseller, 100% commissions on the entire funnel. It's a license to print money, plus you've got access to the product. Then we've got the Leads Profiter reseller. It says crush our revolutionary one-click FB lead generation and marketing automation platform that allows users to capture leads without any landing pages or opt-in forms and convert them into profitable leads by sending emails and follow-ups on complete autopilot. Sounds like a brilliant product to me. So you're going to get the reseller for that as well. You're also going to get the done for you coupon stores, front end, pro, agency and reseller. I told you this was bonkers. So this is free click software that builds 100% automated coupon sites in 60 seconds. Another great product. And then you've got Vid Sensation, front end, pro, agency and reseller. This is a free click software that makes $500 per day, gets hundreds of thousands of free visitors per month by legally stealing other people's videos and working just 15 minutes per day. Also going to get Hyper Quiz List, front end, pro, agency and reseller. See, I do spoil you guys, you got to say. This is... It says how I generated 11,324 buyer leads posting a lame 30-second quiz and made over $8,306 in just 7 days with no tech skills, no content, no paid ads. You're also going to get Propel Proof. It's a fully loaded toolkit with marketing tools, plugins and pop-ups to create FOMO, that's fear of missing out, social proof, engage and keep your website visitors. That's a great tool in itself. You're going to get the reseller for that as well. So that's, how many was that in total? I mean, that's a ton, isn't it? Livio 1, Vid Creator 2, Profiteer 3, Stores 4, Lead Station 5, Quiz 6, 7. That is bonkers. So I'm really spoiling you here with this one. Plus, of course, you get the product itself with those 200 tools, which is a no-brainer. All right. So I'm limited on how many of these I can give away. Very limited because it's so valuable. So the bonuses are already waiting for you in your Warrior Plus account. All you need to do is buy through my link, check that you are cookied to me. I will demonstrate how to do that for you right now. So you're going to want to click on any of my links, whether that's below my YouTube video, whether it's on a review page, whether it's on a Google Doc, any of my affiliate links, and click through and go to the sales page. Then on the sales page, just click on one of the buy buttons, decide whether or not you want to add your bump. So this is the Kit Extreme, add this Kit Extreme, first 30 customers only. And it's, let me see, so you've got additional 30 templates, access to one-click generator, plus unlimited revisions, 100 custom prompts, unlimited background remover, unlimited text image generation, unlimited image generation, unlimited image editor, usually $97 per month, but today only $26.95, and 97% of customers selected this and made over $480 per day. So if you want to go for that, you click on that there, and then just go through and click this button here, and you're on the cart now. Now this is the bit where down the bottom, If you just hover over this, you can see it says 31584 Trevor C. All right, that's what you're looking for. If you see that, then you are cookied to me and you're good to go. Your bonuses will be ready and waiting for you. If you don't see that, then you are not cookied to me. Do not buy. Clear your cookies, try a different browser, try it in an in-private incognito window. Just make sure that you see me down the bottom, and then all those bonuses are ready and waiting for you. All right. As always, if you've got any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'm here to help. In the meantime, go and grab this now. 200 AI tools. Bonkers. Go and get it. I'll speak to you soon. All the best.